Welcome to the another video of the DHAN app series. इस वीडियो में I'll give you a complete walkthrough of the mobile version of the DHAN app. So by the end of this video, you will know all the features of the DHAN app and how to use it using the mobile app. Let's get straight into it. So first, let's talk about the pricing. So I've come to dhan.co/pricing and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो for account opening, annual maintenance charge and platform fees. It's completely free. It's zero, right? And coming to equity delivery and ETFs and IPOs, so अगर आप इन्वेस्टिंग करते हो then even that you can do it here completely free without paying anything to a broker. So if you are into swing and position trading, this is a benefit, right? Finally, coming to equity intraday and other segments like futures and options, you have to pay 20 rupees per trade or 0.03%, whichever is less. तो आप देख सकते हो it's pretty competitive pricing, right? And another benefit is that if you are a woman, then you will have 50% brokerage off for all the women traders. So this is something special that DHAN is doing to encourage more female participation in the stock market. Now let's log into the DHAN app. So click on the DHAN app and you will be headed over to the home page. तो अगर आपके पास अकाउंट नहीं है then click the link in my description, open your free DHAN account right away. So starting with the home page, you can see my name here. If I click on my name, we'll be headed over to your profile, right? You can see the funds available, what are the segments that's activated, and most importantly trader controls. So trader controls is something that is very special to them, right? So they have done a lot of things to help traders become profitable. So I've made a complete different video on this, you can check it out. They have alerts on over trading, alerts on heavy losses, and also quill switch over for open trading and many other things, right? They also give notification for breaking news. So अगर कोई important thing हो रहा है in the market and if they feel that as a trader you should know it, then they are going to give notifications and many other things, right? So you can also choose what charts you want, whether you want charts IQ or trading view. So that's a pretty helpful thing. I will go with trading view. And finally, as you come down, you will get other details like your profile details, account details, documents and all the stuff. So this is my profile. Here you have other things also, like you can see the refer and earn status and other stats and many other things like social and stuff. Coming back to the home page, यहाँ पे आप मेरा overall portfolio summary देख सकते हो, right? So I've just started entering positions through the app. So as of now you can see I have couple of stocks and no ETFs, so it's basically stocks here. And coming down you can see that you can invest and trade on stock exchanges. Now the question is, what exactly can you trade? Well, you can trade in equities, ETFs, futures, options, currency and commodities. So if I click on equities, तो आप देख सकते हो it will show me all the top gainers for the day, which are the top gaining companies, the top losing companies for the day, 52 high companies, stocks that are their all-time highs, 52 low companies and many other things by value, by volume, and which are the companies only buyers are buying, which are the companies where sellers are more sellers are there. So all of these details you can check here. Coming back, अगर आप ETFs पे click करते हो then you can see what are the index ETFs, right? So I always suggest people to invest in index. So you can see what are the different indexes available, right? Which companies are providing. For example, Axis Bank ETF, Axis Bank Technology ETFs, and dividend opportunities, HDFC. So all these opportunities you can see it here. You can also see debt to bond ETFs, gold ETFs, right? So every details is you can find in just one click, right? What are the global ETFs? So you can see these are the two companies that are in India that are giving you an opportunity to invest in foreign indexes. And finally the others. Coming back, if you click on auctions, same, you can choose which expiry you want and you'll get all the other details, right? You can directly see the option chain from here. For example, the Nifty 50 option chain, you can find all the important data here, right? So you can choose the strike price based on your expiry and all the stuff. Coming back, you have again the top 100 movers, the top 100 gainers and the movers and all the stuff. So you can also discover options based on OI gainers, OI losers, price gainers and many other things. Coming to currencies, so if you don't know, in India you are only supposed to trade the INR pairs, right? So that is why you can see the different INR pairs here, the Euro INR, GBP INR, JPY INR, and you can trade them. And that is why the forex hasn't grown much in India, because of the rules, right? So as you can see, GBP USD is there, but it's showing zero, meaning it's basically not available. There is no market, bigger market for forex in India. Finally, commodities, people trade commodities a lot. Up crude oil trade कर सकते हो, copper, zinc, and you can find all the details here. Coming down, you can see the money available for investing. You can also click on top up, and then you can choose the money that you want to add. It also shows me how much I can get, how much instant margin I can get by pledging my shares. So quite helpful, you can say. Finally, coming down, यहाँ पे आप small case कभी देख सकते हो, right? Small case is directly integrated with DHAN app. So you click here, and you will be headed over to the small case version of the DHAN app. So यहाँ पे आप you can choose whichever small case you want to trade. So if you want to know more about this, I have made a complete dedicated video on this. So just give you a summary of small case. Small case is where if you are an investor and you are not very good at stock picking, right? So आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can leave it to the experts. Here experts have created a lot of baskets of stocks for different categories, right? So for example, here we have something called rising rural demand, meaning these are the stocks that will, these are the companies that will grow as the rural India grows, right? So you can invest here, and all the details. So you can see the top gainers. So banking tracker. So recently bank stocks have performed really well. That's why the banking tracker is doing well, and you can find all the different baskets here. Coming down, this is a notification bar from DHAN app where they update you with the new updates, right? So they have integrated DHAN app on TradingView and MTF. So all the details they are giving it here. And coming down, it shows you your portfolio's performance for the day. Okay, so you can see I have entered some positions in 4 stocks, and it's showing me, if I choose percentage, it will tell me, right? So how my stocks are doing. And market watch, again we have all these things. Then you can have the market movers, and that's for the home page. Most importantly, on the top of the screen you can see this. So if I click on this, it will show me all the main indexes in the market, right? This is very helpful. So I can just click on the app and check what's the market is doing, right? Just by seeing the index, how much percentage it has moved for the day, you get an idea of how much the market has moved, right? How the stocks have performed. So that's quite helpful. So here you have a bell like icon, and if you click on that, you will get all the notifications that DHAN has for you, all the announcement and things like that. And on the search bar, you can search for the companies that you want to trade. Coming to the next section, which is the watch list. Here DHAN will create a separate watch list for the companies that you have entered positions in. So these are some few positions that I have entered. I have other watch list, my personal trading watch list, and the index watch list, stocks for the week watch list, so things like that. Coming to the portfolio, here you can see your net worth, the stocks that you hold, the amount you have, and all the small cap investments and the strategy investments. Here you will get all the investments based on stocks, ETFs, and your trading positions. So today I have not entered any positions, and other details. Finally, coming to orders, here you can find any orders if you have one, and you can see I've put baskets, right? So I've created 3 baskets. So what is a basket is very simple. So let's say you are someone who enters all positions in equity at a time, or all positions in futures options at a time in different stocks. So what you can do, you can create a basket with different stocks, and if you, with just one click, you can buy all the stocks. For example, I've created a basket here called investing, and here if I just execute this basket, all these 3 shares will be bought, right, at the market price. That's an advantage. Coming to forever, coming finally to the money section, here is where you can add funds to your then account, right? So you can click on the amount you want to put and just top up funds. You have either bank transfer or UPI. So it's pretty simple. Another interesting thing is the top bar. So here you can see the different details, right? The dividends that you're getting, upcoming IPOs. So here on one click, you will get all the details of the upcoming IPOs, right? For example, Ola is announced, OYO is expected, and NSE is expected. So all the companies you can see, even pharmacy is expected. I didn't know this before I saw this. VLCC, so all the companies, including Snapdeal, is announcing. So these are the upcoming IPOs. You can find listed IPOs and the IPOs that are open now, which is nothing. So now how to trade? Very simple. Click on the thing that you want to trade. For example, I want to trade Reliance. Click on Reliance. Here I am able to see the chart of Reliance, right? I want the 1 year chart of Reliance. So let me put 1 year, and here you can see the price chart. Let me go to candlesticks. So here you can see that they have a pretty cool integration. So yeah, the trading view is integrated. So I can use the trading view app directly through the DHAN app, right? And again, there are many benefits here, like I can add n number of indicators and all this stuff, and I can buy and sell directly from here, right? So if I have to buy, I just click on buy and choose what you want to do, whether you want to do trading, investing, or margin trading. I will go for trading one, and it will tell you the margin required. Then finally you can buy. Similarly, it's pretty same for selling also. And here you can find many other things, right? You can start an SIP in Reliance, keep a forever order, set alerts, add it to watch list, and all the stuff, and you get the market depth here. Coming down, you will find the historical performances, investment returns, and all the things, right? So basically every detail that you as a trader or investor need, they are giving it to you, okay? And they give you all the technicals, pivot levels, moving averages, details. Most importantly, as for option traders, you can come here and you can see all the details, right? So for option contract, I can just click on this, and I'll be able to see all the details. So open interest and option chain. So click on option chain, and you'll be able to see the details for the most recent expiry. Going ahead, click on futures. Similarly, you'll get all the details and fundamentals also. So they give you the market cap of the company, the PE ratio, the industry PE ratio. So it's very helpful, right? So you can see that industry PE is 6. So and the company PE Reliance is 40. That means it's too overvalued. Dividend yield, right? 0.31%. So just they give you very important details with which you can easily understand whether the company is fairly valued or overvalued. Here it's clearly overvalued, and you also have the financial details, okay? So you can see the profits of the company, the income sheet, the balance sheet, and finally the cash flow, right? So the three important things that you need to know about the company: income, balance sheet, and cash flow. All the details you find here, and the shareholding patterns also, right? So you can see that promoters hold 49%, and also the foreign investors, the domestic investors, and all the stuff. Finally, the smart invest, where you can set SIPs and stuff, and also the news, okay? So what are the news related to Reliance? They will clear it for you and give you the best things. So you can find all the details here, right? So as you can see, with each stock that you take, okay, they are giving you so many details that will help you in understanding the market much better. Finally, coming to the this bar, you can see here, you can also log into your desktop web app using this link. You just have to scan, right, and you'll be able to access the web app of the same. And finally, they also have multiple color modes, very helpful, so you can choose whichever color you want, right? And it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in my next one.